another video of Kawaii All Around, and for this day I will be teaching you informations about where to buy squishies at the Philippines because I am from the Philippines. So before that, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started on the video. So the first one is at Divisoria 168, third floor near the food court. So I'm nearly gonna have that, and I will be having a vlog, so you better check out my channel more. So yeah, so that is the first one to buy squishies, and they have a lot of squishies. They actually have more magnet squishies than any squishies that have no magnet squishies. So yeah. So next one is, so you could also buy at Chinatown, which I have never been before. So not yet sure if I can have a vlog there or not, but yeah. At Trinoma Toaster Post, I've been there already, but I have never had a vlog to you, so I'm not yet sure if I can also do a vlog there or not. But yeah, so that is the third place, which you can go to the Philippines at Manila, Trinoma Toaster Post. So yeah, so this one is the fourth place you could buy at Landmark, which is the gift section at Makati City, because I am from the Iloilo City. I'm nearly gonna go to Manila, so I'm gonna go buy at Makati too, because me and my family is gonna fetch my dad, and I'm so excited. So yeah, that's the fourth place you could buy. So the last one you could buy is at Green Hills, Shopsville, at the second floor at the store called Regina's, and I also bought there, but I haven't made a vlog there, but I'm not yet sure also if I could make a vlog there or not, because yeah. So yeah. So Green Hills, Shopsville is near at Ortigas. So yeah. The next information that I'm gonna give you is where to buy foam. So this question is very easy. You could just go any store, any grocery store, and buy some foam. But like dishwashing foam. But if you want to make your squishies a little bit more slow rising, you could buy at SM City, SM Manila, MOA, anywhere. At the Philippines, you could just buy the memory foam. Well, it comes in a pillow, but it's like 300 pesos. It is kind of expensive, but it's pretty worth it. So it's like this big. I have never bought that before, but I've just felt it. So yeah. And next question is where to buy paint. So puffy paint is like, I don't think so we have here in the Philippines, but I use for my homemade squishies is acrylic paint. You can buy that at National Bookstore for 30 pesos, and mine is already gone because I've used it. But my homemade squishies are pretty bad. I'm not telling you a joke. It's true. So yeah guys, that is all the information that I can give you for now. So yeah. So you better subscribe down below, and I will be having more giveaways, and you might be the winner.